Hello everybody. I am Dr.S. Radhakrishnan. I am working as an associate professor in PSN College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am giving a topic on packages, how to put classes together in Java. So that is going to be the topic. So the syllabus which we take up today, Java API packages, using system packages. So this is what we are going to see today. Naming conventions, creating packages, accessing a package, using a package, adding a class to a package, hiding classes. How are we going to do these things? First of all, why should we go for packages? Why should we go for packages? In object-oriented programming, there are many reasons why certain concepts are created in object-oriented programming. Here in Java, the reason for packages is two places of that is reusability, and here we want to reuse the classes inside the same program and in between program. So inside the same program will come under one category, and in between the programs it comes under this next category, which is going to be about the packages. For inside the same program, extending the classes as in inheritance and implementing interfaces. The limitation is this is limited to reusing the classes within the same program. So we have to, when you want to go for different programs, that is across the program, you want to share the program, then what you have to do? That is what we are going to see with this. And reusing outside the program to which the class belong. Packages are used in Java. In Java programming language, Java, it is an object-oriented programming language. These are like class libraries in other languages. It is like class libraries. So libraries, how libraries? For example, in C language we have the header files which has the library functions. Those library functions have functions which are going to be shared. So such a way classes are shared here in this also. In this place we are going to share the classes in this. So definition, packages are Java's way of grouping a variety of classes and or interfaces together. So we are going to group the classes and or interfaces together in packages. Usually the grouping is done according to the functionality. For example, input output. When you take input output, all the classes related to input output operations, they are grouped together. Packages act as container for classes. Packages act as containers for classes. Benefits. So we have different benefits when we are going to use packages. The first benefit, the classes contained in the package of the program can be easily reused. So if you are going to have the package which is for a particular class, then it can be reused easily. The next one is, in packages, classes can be unique compared with classes in other packages. Then packages provide a way to hide classes. If you want to hide classes, then also you can prevent them from some of the programs. There we are hiding the classes and they are not meant for them. And then packages also give you a way of separating design from coding. We are giving a way for separating the design from coding. So there are two types of packages in Java. One is Java API packages, user-defined packages. User-defined packages. Java API package definition is like this. Java API package are packages which provide a large number of classes grouped into different packages according to functionality. There are 6 or 7 functionalities. According to them, we group the packages. We use the Java API packages most of the time. Most used Java API packages are, as I told you, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of API packages, language, utility, IO, AWT, net and applet. So this is a small diagram which is taken from the book itself. The packages which I have just now spelled out are given here. So these are those packages, and each package has a definite usage. For example, language support classes. Language support class, here the language means programming language. Language means the programming language. For example, how do you support primitive types? Actually saying the data type in Java is going to be a class, but still we can use integer, we can use float. Such places we have to support the primitive types, and we have to support the string, math functions, threads and exceptions. So according to the language constructs, what are all the packages. Another thing is we have to know which are the packages coming under which particular API package. We should know. That is, we should already go through the different packages list, and we should be able to know which packages come under which packages. Such things we have to do. And language util means language utilities classes. For example, vector, hash table, random number, date, such utilities are there. Utilities, small utilization. Java IO, input and output, support input and output. And here the next one is AWT. AWT is usages, set of classes to implement graphical user interfaces. For example, classes for Windows. Supposing Java is creating Windows, it is supporting buttons, it is supporting list, it is supporting menus, So where should you look for the classes and related to those applications. So this is a particular application, graphical user interface. Supposing your product is going to have a graphical user interface, that is the user is going to interact with the machine using the graphical user interface. Then you have to create a window, you have to keep buttons, you have to have lists, you should have menu and so on. So in such cases you have to give these things, and you have to all these things are under one roof called the API package. Net. These are classes for networking. The networking may be from LAN to internet. So internet servers. So the next one is Java applet. Java applet usage classes for creating and implementing applets. Applets are small Java programs. Applets are small Java programs. So next one is using system packages. So here these are all system packages. You have them already written by someone, by the creator themselves for a reason. Then we can use them. So packages, for example, Java is a package, and package AWT is there. It is there inside. So there are two ways of accessing the classes stored in a package. Example, we want to access color class from the package AWT. How will you do that? That is java.awt.color. That is Java is a package. Inside that you have AWT, another package, and inside that you have another one, that is the color class. So you can also use import statements like this. Import statements, import package name dot class name. So if you want to import only one particular class, we can give this input statement like this. But normally we may not be aware of how many or what are the classes we may need. So in that place we give the package name dot star meaning every class inside the package. So input statement appear above any class declaration. Import is a keyword. Actually, just we start a C language program with the include statement. We start the Java program with the import statements. So above all the statements, you should have only import statements. Okay. So this is an example. Here this is a Java. Actually this is a clip taken from the book written by the source author E. Balagurusamy. Here Java is a class. Again, that is AWT is another class, another package. So Java is a package, AWT is another package, and whatever inside it is a class. It is a class. So naming convention. So how are we going to name the packages. So packages are named such that we are naming a normal identifier, not a class but a normal identifier, so that here this will show that it is not a class. All classes start from upper class letter. So here math is a class. Math is a class. And the square root is the function. Square root is the function. Java is a package. Language is a package. Inside that you have the class math. In math you have the square root method. So it is a convention. It is a convention used. So another convention, another example is java.awt.points. Points here is the classes. So here we are creating array of points. Declaration. So package naming convention, Coimbatore, PSG, my package. So here you will have Coimbatore. Inside that you will have a package PSG, and then inside that you will have my package. So creating packages. So user, if he wants to create his own package, we want to put the package across the programs, then he can create his own package. So you have to declare the package at the beginning of a file using the form package name. Then define the class that is to be put. Create the subdirectory under the directory where the main source file are stored. So store the listing as class name .java file in the subdirectory created. Compile the file. This creates the class file. So here there are 5 steps. These 5 steps. So this is an example for a hierarchy. That is, you can have already, if there is already one package, you can create a package inside it, or you can have 2 packages. One package, inside that you can have a second package, inside that you can have the third package also. So importing the package will be like this. So this is the way we can import a class inside the hierarchy of packages or user defined packages. See here, package 1, package 2, package 3. That is, package 1 is there and package 2 is inside package 1. Package 3 is inside package 2. So those are optional. If it is there, you have to use it. So that is given, the syntax it is given as optional. For example, in the example I did not give the third package. In the second example, we have given only the package name one time. That is, there is only one package and we are going to access all the classes in it. So we have imported all the classes in it. So this is an example where we are creating a package. So what we have told is the first step is you have to declare the package. Declare the package 1. We have declared it. The second time is, the second thing we have to do is you have to define the package. Define the package. For example, public class A, and public void static display, and actually I have used shorthand form of system.out.println class A. So this is a definition of the class, public class. This class after being used, we have to compile this. We have to compile this so that it will go and sit inside the package 1. Class A will go and sit inside the package 1 as a class file. That is the final step we have to do. That is the final step. Here we continue. So we have created one package. In a package 1, we have created one particular class. We import that class in another class or in another file. Then class package test. Then we write a main method class. Main method class package test 1 is the main method class, where we are writing class A. Class A is inside the package 1. So that is directly access. That doesn't require package 1 dot class A. So directly we can access, and we are giving new class, new keyword to create a object. Then we display. The display will then display the output for this will be class A. For the same thing, forget about the main method class which we have already created. We are creating another package 2, where we are creating another package, another class B, protected int m equal to 10, public void display. Here you say that it is class B, and you also print the value of m. So what will happen? Here the output should be class B and 10. So actually we have seen two examples. So package 1 we have created. For that we have created a class, main method class. The same thing, package 2 we have created. For the main method class 2, we have a main method class written like this. From package 1 we import class A. From package 2, in another form we have imported all the classes. So this is a class package test 2. So here we are writing class A, object A, new class A. New is a keyword which creates the object. Then class B, we are creating an object in class B. Then we are giving object A display A and object B display B. Object B display B. So for this, the output will be class A, first one. Next, class B. Then, as in the previous slide, the second line of the display method in class B is M you have to print. That will be 10. So 10 will be like. So in the output you will have 3 lines. So for the first output you will have one line saying that class A. For the second main method we will have 3 lines, class A, class B and 10. These are the 3 output lines. So multiple packages with classes with the same name. So you can have multiple classes where you can have the same name for the classes. For example, package 1 is having 2 classes, teacher and student. Then package 2 has courses and student. So student is going to be a common package between, common class between package 1 and package 2. Package 1 and package 2. Okay, and here we import package 1 dot star, package 2 dot star. Both we are importing student 1. Actually, will this work? Will this work? For example, there is a student in package 1, there is a student in package 2. Student 1, student class. So both have student classes. So there will be a confusion. This should not be used. So instead of that, you have to use package 1 dot student 1, package 2 student dot student 2. So this will clearly differentiate. Student 1 is for the package 1, student 2 is for the package 2. But here you are creating a teacher 1 and a course 1. If that is created, teacher 1, course 1. So this is allowed because in each in package 1 teacher is only there. In package 2 teacher class is not present. In package 1 courses class is not present. So courses, when you say courses will refer to only the courses in package 2. There also you don't have any problem. So this also package test 3 Java, import package to class B. So actually this particular example is for the previous example which we have taken. Class previous example, this particular example. So here we have taken package 1, package 2, and actually this is a continuation of those, that is package 1, package 2, then it is package 2 class C extends class B, extends Extends means B is below, sorry, C is below B. That means it is an inheritance. It is an inheritance. Okay, it is an inheritance. Int n equal to 20, void display. There are three lines for the display. Class, it is the class C, M and N. Since in B we have given protected M. So protected M means for the child class it is accessible. Here the M will be printed. M will be printed as 10. N will be printed as 20 if it is accessed. If these statements are accessed, it will be printed. So I want to say this at this place. So for the package test 3, you are giving a test package, sorry, test class. Here the public static void main method is like this. So you are creating a object of C. Then you are displaying object C dot display, object C dot display B. So for that what will happen is, so that is also what we can say is class B is also inside class C. So you can have the output as class B M equal to 10. Then the next line you will have class C M equal to 10, N equal to 20. So this will be the output. So since 10 is printed, since it is protected format. This is the access protection, same class. So here we are giving where the classes are present. Classes are present and what access protection is given. Public, protected, friendly, default. When it is default, it is friendly. Private, protected, private. So here same class means everything yes. Subclass in the same package. In the same package. Private only will not be accessible. Other classes in the same package. Private, protected and private will not be accessible. Subclass in other packages. Here friendly and private, for that only it will not be accessible. Non subclasses in other packages, only public will be accessible, otherwise it will not be accessible. So here you might have seen the word, let me take it before. See, I have given these words in package, before package or before class I am giving public. See, this is default, this is test package, this is public, it will always be accessible, public will always be accessible. So likewise you can use the other access specifiers also, protected, friendly. In one place for the variable alone, that is the member alone, we have used the protection. Okay. So this I think you have understood. Adding a class. So just this is a general method. You have to, after this you have to do these things, then after this you have to compile, and if you are compiling, it will go and sit in the package which you want the class to be in the class format. That 5 steps. So adding class B. So you can class B also, you can this thing, whatever 2 classes you want to add, you can add. You can add. Hiding. Hiding means in this place X is public, but here protected or default, this is default, we didn't give anything, so all the public will be accessible. All the public will be accessible. In that case, the protected class will not be visible. The protected class will not be visible. So Y, object Y will not be imported. Will not be imported. It will be done. It will be done. So with that we have come to the end of the set of topics which we have taken under the topic packages. This is a short video which has been prepared for the students. It may be for the engineering college students mainly. It is not like that. Whoever studies Java, it is a easy a short video which shows how you can use packages. Packages are of 2 subdivisions. One is called the API package, user-defined package. When you are using a user-defined package, you should be able to create a package. When you are creating a package, normally you want to add a class into it which is visible. Then you can also hide the class. So these are all the things we have studied in this class for this moment. I think you had a nice time watching the video. I thank you for the patient hearing, for undertaking this video and having a time learning the topics through this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.